If you're like us, you've tried everything to help your hyperactive child go to sleep.
That's right, we lost all hope. But then we found new.
It can turn this into this.
Jack Daniels took a tried and true formula and simply increased the alcohol content.
Is she drowsy or did she black out? We don't care. She's out and we have the rest of the evening to ourselves.
Also works well in other small mammals.
New Jack Daniels Children's Cough Syrup. 100 proof, 100% of the time.
Possible side effects include loose stool, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome.